Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best goggle lenses is probably one of the most overlooked pieces of equipment when it comes to hitting the slopes. But trust me, having the right lenses can make or break your day on the mountain. From crystal clear vision in bright sunshine to enhanced contrast in flat light, the perfect lens will not only improve your performance but also protect your eyes from the elements. So, let's dive in and find the perfect match for your next adventure. Number 5. Wildhorn Outfitters Roca Ski Goggles. Introducing the Wildhorn Roca Ski Goggles, designed for optimal performance on the slopes. This extra magnetic lens is specifically made to fit the Roca goggles, ensuring a perfect fit and enhanced vision. Don't let poor visibility ruin your ski trip. The Roca goggles feature Aurora lens technology, providing a wide, panoramic view without distortion. This technology protects your eyes from glare and harmful UV rays. Built to withstand the rigors of the mountain, the Roca lens is made from shatterproof, ultra-strong polycarbonate material. You can count on it to last, no matter the conditions. Changing lenses is a breeze with the Roca goggles. The design includes 6 rare earth and 45 magnets and a clip locking system, allowing you to swap lenses in under a minute. Choose from 7 different Aurora lens options. Experience effortless performance and unlimited style with the Wildhorn Roca. The design ensures clear vision in any light condition, while also protecting your eyes. Get ready to hit the slopes in style. What we like. This lens features a magnetic design for quick lens changes. It also offers a wide view and anti-fog coating for clear vision in any condition. If you are looking for convenience and versatility, this is the perfect choice, allowing you to adapt quickly to changing weather conditions. What people say. The Roca goggles are the best I've had in 42 years skiing. The wide assortment of lens and easy replacement make the old Smith & Scott products obsolete. This lens is a great all-around tint and will work for all conditions. Impossible to find a better and faster system for changing lenses. Easy enough to do in 1 minute on the slope. These are way better quality than lenses 5 times the price. Easy to change the lens and looks and fits great. Number 4. Wildhorn Pipeline Ski Goggle. Can't ride if you can't see. This goggle features a huge cylindrical lens and a custom vent system to reduce fogging, helping you spot the best lines. It offers a flatter, low-profile fit. Whether it's a bluebird day or a blizzard, this goggle has you covered. It features the Aurora Tech system with rare earth magnets and custom-designed lens locks, allowing you to swap lenses in seconds. The Pipeline delivers a modern performance. With over 70 lens frame color combinations, you can find one that's uniquely you. Plus, keep an eye out for our new branding coming in 2021. Wildhorn is an official supplier of the USSKI and snowboard team. We're proud to work with this world-class organization and push boundaries, just like these athletes do. The dual-material PCABS TPU construction gives strength to the lens locking mechanism and offers a softer, flexible fit against your face. Triple-layer foam wicks away moisture and seals out the elements, ensuring comfort and clarity. What we like. This lens offers a cylindrical design and adapts to any condition with its Aurora Tech system. With numerous color combinations, it allows you to express your style. If you like a modern look and need a lens that performs well in various conditions, you should consider it. What people say. These extra lenses are very easy to switch, as Wildhorn Outfitters uses very strong magnetic contacts to hold the replacement lens in place. The Pipeline goggles offer a really wide field of view, expanding peripheral vision quite a bit. Wildhorn is a phenomenal brand with really good, sleek lenses for the cost. Easy to install and switch out if you ever need. Number 3. Oakley Fall Line Large Replacement Lens. Introducing Prism Lens Technology, a revolution in optics. This lens is built on years of color science research, providing unmatched control of light transmission. The lens precisely tunes colors to maximize contrast. This feature significantly enhances visibility, allowing you to see more clearly in various conditions. The lens is made with injection-molded plutonite material. It offers 100% protection against harmful UVA, UVB, UVC, and blue light up to 400 nanometers. It features an optically correct dual lens with f3 anti-fog coating. This design ensures clear vision, even in challenging weather. The lens meets impact requirements based on ANSI 87.1 and EN 166 standards. It is designed to withstand the rigors of snowshoeing and other sports. What we like. This lens utilizes prism technology for enhanced contrast and visibility. It also provides 100% UV protection and an anti-fog coating. If you are looking for superior clarity and eye protection, this lens is an excellent option. What people say. It doesn't get better than this lens when it comes to POW days and whiteout conditions. Tree runs are cake because is still very visible with this lens. The perfect lens for a heavy fog and a partly cloudy day, it even works for a bright sunny day. Number 2. Oakley Flight Deck M Replacement Lens. This is Oakley's exclusive lens technology. It's engineered to help you see contrast on the mountain. It works in a variety of challenging light and snow conditions. Prism replacement lenses provide unprecedented control of light transmission. The colors are precisely tuned to maximize contrast. This enhances visibility. The lenses offer impact resistance. They are designed to withstand the rigors of the slopes. This ensures your safety. These lenses provide 100% UV filtering. They protect your eyes from harmful rays. This is thanks to Oakley's high-definition optics, HDO. Oakley's high-definition optics, HDO, ensures clarity. It provides a clear and accurate view. You can rely on it for optimal performance. What we like. This lens features prism snow technology for optimal contrast in challenging conditions. It also offers high-definition optics and impact resistance. If you are a serious skier or snowboarder who needs the best vision possible, you should choose this one. What people say. These give you a clean, crisp image. You can see every little detail and pick your lines. Great quality. They are my favorite out of the 3. Great for any conditions. Great lens for snow low light ski days. Number 1. Oakley Line Minor M Replacement Lens. Introducing Prism Lens technology from Oakley. It's a revolutionary lens that fine-tunes your vision for specific sports and environments. See what you've been missing. This replacement lens features a medium-sized cylindrical design. It offers a wide field of view, perfect for various conditions. This design enhances your overall experience. The lens is made with plutonite material. This provides 100% protection against UVA, UVB, UVC, and harmful blue light up to 400 Nm. It ensures your eyes are well protected. This lens meets impact requirements. It's based on ANSI 87.1 and EN 1938, 2010 standards. You can trust it to withstand various impacts. With this lens, you'll experience enhanced clarity and detail. It allows you to see the world in a whole new way. Get ready for an improved visual experience. What we like. This lens uses prism technology to fine-tune vision for specific environments. It also has a medium-sized cylindrical lens and provides 100% UV protection. If you want a lens that enhances your vision and protects your eyes, you should consider this one. What people say. The lenses fit perfectly and are easy to change. The lenses provide excellent clarity and good visibility in various light conditions. The anti-fog coating works well, and I haven't had any issues with fogging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.